Welcome back to Show Yourself Toys and Travel. Today I have this Monster High Ghoul Mobile. It is so amazing. Like, it can fit like 4 ghouls. The trunk even open. It is so amazing. Guys, look. You will want this. You will want this. You will want this. So good. Alright, let's start opening. This is so amazing. Look at this. It's right. Just look. Look at this cute little pet. It's so cute. Okay, let's start with all of these accessories. That was easy. First, it comes with this cute little pet that I can't start getting over with. It looks like a little doggy. It's so cute. Okay, we have these stickers that you were supposed to put places. Lucky for me, I know where to put them all. Have this little drink. It looks like a pina colada. Okay, this is the thing you're supposed to pour them into. Look, it doesn't do that. And here's another cutie little drink. It looks like it has some stuff in it. Ooh, it looks like this is where you put all the drinks in, like a cooler. Yeah, just a cooler coffee. Good name for it. Alright guys, look inside. It's so cozy. So cozy. We got it out. Oh, there's the drink that comes back. We can do this. You can open it up. I bet you can even put some luggage in here. Like if you want them to drive around with some luggage. Woo. First, let's just adore this. Okay, so they have like these cute little fuzzy chairs. And look at this. Look at the steering wheel. It has the logo. It has the... Okay guys, and here's the slime and all the spider webs that gives it the Monster High touch. You need the Monster High touch. Now let's start putting it in. So the doggy goes right here, right there. That's where it goes. And then let's get started. So here, this goes right over here. Guys, I did not see that. That was my first time seeing it. I bet you can also put the doggy right here. Yep, 2 spots for the beautiful doggy. Beautiful. These are the headlights. Ugh. Oh my god, it's so hard. Put them right here. Right, now we put the most. There we go. The back is done. Some in the front, some in the back. Okay, you have to know that. Alright, now let's put the drink in the cooler. There's a spot for the coffee right here. I bet you can put then you put the drinks right over here. Talk about relaxing on a sunny day. Check out this car. You better get it. Let me get some of my ghouls so I can put them into the car. So first I'm gonna get Laguna Blue. So cute. You have to slide them down. And then let's get Twyla. Hard to remember her name. Now these ghouls are ready to party. Let me get 2 more in the back. First, I'm gonna get Cleo Denial. Don't want to miss with her. And Claudine Wolf. And Frankie is gonna just watch here because some of these girls don't have a driver's license, so she just gotta make sure they got it. I hope you like this video of me unboxing the Monster High Mobile. Make sure to like and subscribe. Bye!